Hi there friends, hope you all are doing well. So welcome back to another gaming video on my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, then must subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates of our newly uploaded videos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily paint the all 100 graffiti in Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Android game at once just by using a Cleo cheat. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open this video description and you'll find a link for downloading the file. You have to download that file from the link. And then open it, unarchive the file. You'll find a folder in that with 3 files. You just have to copy these 3 files with extensions, CSI and .fxt, and just paste these files to your file manager's Android Datacom, Rockstar Games, Gta San. But the most important thing is that you can only use these cheats or files if you're using a Cleo Gta San application on your Android phone. Otherwise, you can't access to these Cleo cheats, so you have to use the Cleo mod pack of Gta San Andreas. Now just open the game on your phone and start the game. Scroll down from the center of the screen in Game, and you'll get All Mods list. In that list, you'll find the mod we added, and select that one, choose your Graffiti number you want to teleport, and done. Thanks for giving your precious time on my channel's video. If you liked the video, just hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.